Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you what to do with all of those leftover yolks that you have whenever you make protein-sparing modified fasting bread. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you the new method that I have discovered for this guy, which makes it turn out even better. I'll be back in just a minute.
With every start, we are born again. Open your heart.
Ooh, 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 ooh. It's gonna be alright. Yeah, yeah. How can you tell? Yeah, yeah. I feel it in my heart. Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, yeah. The sun is shining bright unto another day. Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Hey, hey, hey. If at first you don't succeed, you better try again. Hey, hey, hey. The clenched fist can't plant a seed. Just open up your hand. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. I feel it in my heart. It's gonna be alright. You're gonna find your way. It's gonna be alright. Hey, hey, hey. It's very hard to let things go. It's hard to carry on. Hey, hey, hey. But if you won't try, you won't know what next is gonna come. You've got to just let it go, carry on. Let it go, carry on. It's hard to let it go, carry on. 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 And open up, let it go, carry on. Alright, it's gonna be alright. Carry on, let it go, carry on. Alright, carry on, let it go, carry on. Let it go, carry on. Carry on, let it go, carry on. Let it go, carry on. Carry on, let it go, carry on. Let it go, carry on. Alright, carry on, let it go, carry on. Let it go, carry on. Carry on, let it go, carry on. Let it go, carry on. Alright, carry on, let it go, carry on. Let it go, carry on.
Okay, so one thing that I completely forgot when I made the Biscuits by the Bay is that they continue to grow after you put them in the little cups. So normally I use the small scoop and I do 2 little scoops, but I didn't have that one because it was dirty, so I used my bigger scoop and I thought, oh, I'll just do about half of it. I did not do about half of it, so let me show you the disaster that was. They melted, they all flew over. They still work. They taste fine. Just word to the wise, do not overfill the cups. So, okay. So, there's that. And they pop out the silicone. So they're super light and squishy. The texture obviously is not the same as the Cheddar Bay ones from that restaurant, but the flavor is close. Those are the biscuits. They're really, really good with anything Italian. So then there's the bread. That is the new loaf. There are a couple of things that are absolutely essential. Forgive the roosters. There's nothing I can do about it because I have too many roosters. Parchment paper absolutely needs to happen. Then put all the dry ingredients in together, mix it up really well, and then measure out your egg whites. I did 1.5 cups of egg whites. If you do only 12, or if you do only this, or if you do only that, it doesn't seem to work nearly as well. So 1.5 cups is key. The nutritional yeast, I think, helps quite a bit to try to keep it up. Bake for 30 minutes, let rest in the oven for 15, and then pull out. The other key to this, I used fresh eggs. The cartoned egg whites do not work as well. If it's all you have, then that's what you can use. But if you can get and use fresh eggs, then you can make these guys as well. So I think that about wraps up everything. I'm gonna slice this now that it is fully cooled. And I think that that is a new successful recipe. Thanks so much for stopping in today. Hopefully you guys enjoy the biscuits and that this bread is a little bit easier for you to do. Please do all of the things. Thank you so much for coming along with us and checking in. And we will see you on the way. Bye, guys. Do not overfill your cups. My chicken is outside. Feeling of, you know. Oh my gosh, hang on. Would you stop trying to learn how to crawl right out my window? The chicken is ridiculous. They're all trying. So we make these of egg whites. The yeast, the new because my last one was a little bit more dummy proof. I'm probably gonna go catch myself some roosters here and put them up for sale.